My channel. How are we all doing today? Yes, we are back again. Like I said, I promised to be here this late hour, and I don't know that I will make it, to be honest with you, because it is quite late now. But I have no choice than to fulfill the promise. Okay, so we are going to discuss about the public holiday, Democracy Day of Nigerian government. They have declared that it was it not May 29 before, but they have changed it to June, 12th of June. So, and we are here already in June. But PM said something yesterday that's why I want to do this live broadcast, to be honest with you. And we're going to touch more some other things, as we move forward. But tomorrow is not going to be public holiday in Biafra land. Biafra government in exile have cancelled the sit at home. You may say sit at home, but public holiday of Nigerian government in the name of Democracy Day. So that is not going to be applied in Biafran land. That is not going to work. Biafran government in exile have cancelled that, and that is the breaking news, and everybody must understand the reason why it is so. Diana, good morning to you. Good morning to you, my sister. How are you doing? I hope all is well with you. I was asking about you before in our other broadcast. I hope everything is all right with you. Okay, so guys, please don't forget to like the video. I don't know if my voice is down, or do I need to speak more, add more strength to my voice. I think if I'm audible enough, please let me know. If I'm audible enough, you let me know. So tomorrow is, or today, sorry, we're already in different land. This is already 12 a.m. So it's now Wednesday. Yeah, this is Wednesday. So please don't forget to share the message that tomorrow everything is going to be normal. You have to go your business. Do not honor that public holiday. That holiday is not valid in our land. How are you doing today? I am good. That is Makif Media. I see you. I see you. Please like the video. Like the video. Like I said, we are going to talk other things as well. But I just want you to, because I just want you to understand that it's not going to work. They sit at home. I always say sit at home. The public holiday is not going to work in different lands, and that is how it should be. So, my people, let's start with that information. Let's start with it, because that is what we are here for. Before you can now move down to other things, Okay, so as you can see here, not this one. Okay, just hold on. Just a moment. Okay, just bear with me. I watched the program as your order handle. Thanks. My order handle? I don't understand what you mean. You mean the other? Okay, the second channel. That should be the old broadcast. I did not broadcast there today, and yesterday. Did I broadcast there yesterday? I can't remember, but I'm sure today. I did not stream there yesterday. Today rather. Okay, so guys, this is the message that PM have for everyone. This is from Biafran government in Ezra. As you can see, Nigerian public holidays. Nigerian public holidays is not officially recognized within the Biafran territory. That is headline. So it is very, very clear, and that message should be shared to many platforms that 12th of June, being today, okay, in Biafran land, is not public holiday. It is not public holiday. So, having said that, somebody would choose to attack PM, and he said, this is the news according to Vanguard, the National Publicity Secretary of Ohaneze, just hold on, let the camera capture it properly before okay. What is going on? The camera should just focus on one place. Okay, the National Publicity Secretary of Ohaneze, Ndibo, Dr. Alex Chidozie Ogbonnaya, has raised the alarm that people who claim to be working for Simon Ekpa have been threatening to buy him. My question is, how do they, what were they discussing that made lead to them telling him that they are working for Simon Ekpa? How can somebody who wants to buy you, according to what he said, have that chance to start telling you, okay, hi, we want to buy you and we're working for so person? Maybe you just assume that the threat, if at all there's any threat, that the threat is coming from so place. You don't just say that people told you that they're working for so person and the intention is to buy you. I don't know how people feel when they cook up this kind of story. Anyway, PM have responded to that, and he said he is an IDIOT. You know what that means? Nobody has threatened those who place $500,000 bounty on my head, and it is an imbecile that Biafrans will threaten. We don't have the time of some enabler yet. We only focus on the terrorist state. He should settle with his fellow Ndoshi, not me. Any Biafran, not me or any Biafran threatening him. So this is just straight message, straight response from PM, and I love the way he put it, because you cannot just, anybody, like I said yesterday, anybody that have any problem will tell you PM. If you don't, your wife is not pregnant, PM. If your wife have any issue or your family have any, PM. Now never take light, PM. You don't have pipe bomb water, PM. You don't have good road, PM. So everybody is now using PM to catch cruise. You understand? Just use it as an excuse. Whatever you want to do, PM. Everything PM. To me, very soon they will tell you that Buhari is getting old because of PM. That is why in the previous broadcast I did, I tagged it that PM corrupt the minds of Guinness company to leave Nigeria, that made them to announce that we're going to leave Nigeria. So because everything they will target to him, everything. I don't know why it's so, but they know their reasons, to be honest with you. Now, just pay attention to what Nigerian police. I think this. Just look at him before I play the voice. You see this. You see this man. I think he's drunk. Let's hear what he.
I'm a Nigerian police. Where are gone there? I know they go there. So they give you gun, I mean don't sell them. What you come make them not give? Because I'm going to keep people. Okay, keep people. See, Nigerian police. Nigerian police. I don't work for them. What is the occupation? Work, I give you a number. Okay, number they give people. I give you police, Nigerian
Then because they did not give.
Where I go and dey? I no get gun. They no give you gun, I be don sell am. Wetin come make they no give you gun? Because I go kill people. Okay, kill people. See, Nigerian police. The Nigerian police. I dey work for them. They work for them. Wetin be occupation? Make I give you a number. Okay, number they give people. And if you police, Nigerian police, abi?
He said that he don't have gun, and because that he will kill people. That's why they didn't give him gun. Naija, she didn't give him. Oh my goodness! Everything is upside down. Just listen to. I will flip the camera, but hear what this man says here. Just pay attention. It's going to happen here gradually.
Last month, we arrested a member of the State House of Assembly in Banditry, here in the State. We arrested a district head. We also as well arrested a former local government chairman. So you can see that involvement of this class of people in banditry is more making the situation become more and more complex. So in essence, I can say that all caliber of people now are involved. All manner of people are involved in this banditry. More alarming and more disturbing is the involvement of a district head in supplying drugs to the bandits. So in that respect, your presence here today.
So when you hear people saying that these people, that everything about insecurity, corruption, terrorism, all those things going on, Fulani herdsmen is government sponsored. It's not about propaganda. This is a reality. And it's so difficult for some of you to understand this. This is Commissioner of Police, I believe, or DPO, giving details of their efforts so far. Former local government chairman, you can hear the name that he mentioned. Government official, not civil servant, government official. Because when you hear civil servant, you think it's just ordinary people that they just employ the person. These ones are office holders, but they are involved. We have watched a video of Fulani herdsmen being captured in Anambra, and when they interrogate him and ask him, who is your leader? He says he's in Abuja. Guess who? Army chief. Not army officer, army chief. Executive. Now let's play it again. Pay attention so that some of it maybe you begin to those things will begin to make sense.
We can say now banditry is an industry in the past. Last month, we arrested a member of the State House of Assembly in Banditry, here in the State. We arrested a district head. We also as well arrested a former local government chairman. So you can see that involvement of this class of people in banditry is more making the situation to become more and more complex.
And that complicity is the reason why Boko Haram is still intact. Instead of defeating them, they are growing wings because it is government-sponsored group. That is it. That is it. Some of us don't understand this, but maybe as time goes on, we may begin to make sense. Here is what people of Osun State, okay, what they did to their House of Representative member, and like Koiki said here, forwarded. Orubo, that's I can't read Yoruba, okay? That thing which we are very scared of is gradually happening. See how people of just hold on. I think the camera is also blonde again. I don't know why. Just hold on. Let me see. Gosh. The camera is very bad. I don't know why. Very bad. It shouldn't be this way, but let me see what to do about it to get it back in order. Hopefully it will respond properly now. Okay, since it's not giving me what I want, I will continue. Okay, I will continue. Maybe as we move forward, it will picture very well. So see how people of Ada, Boripe local government, Osun State, dealt with their House of Representatives member. Soon it will be full blow. Now, let me play the video. Okay, I think, hold on, let me see if the is something that I can play here. I mean the sound. Just a moment. So, assuming this camera respects itself, you would have seen it's too. The camera is not giving me what I want at all. Okay. So sorry about that. Sorry about that. The camera is not giving me what I want, but people were rushing to the man, dragging him. You know, yeah. You see, that's why Koyi said that very soon it will be a full blow because this is some of the a man is in the Senate said what he said that who said that, who made that comment, that some Ekpa, that if the way things are going, that he will soon convince youth, turn youth against them. I think if you watch that our broadcast, you understand what I'm trying to say here. This is part of it. They are scared of they are just scared of many things. They are scared of Biafran Liberation Army. They are scared of government in exile. They are scared of Nigerian youth. They are scared of Biafrans. So, but there's no way they will escape this kind of thing. All these things. Those options must happen. It must. Why it takes so long is because of the nature of Nigerians, the youth, and the masses of Nigerian, tribal sentiment and religious sentiment is what they're using to play on everybody's intelligence. Because when everybody's supposed to question them, when they're supposed to question them, they are focused on their own, criminals. I mean, trying to protect their own. Like what some Yorubas are doing, trying to protect Tinubu. When you talk about Tinubu, they're not happy with it because to them, is their brothers, is their sisters. but the country is going on, going in chaos. Every day you are hearing different news, and those news is not pleasant. It's not good at all, and there's no solution to that because the agenda is no longer hidden. We are told that that they want to Islamize everybody. That we are told that they want to funeralize everybody. It's no longer they say or it will. It's not happening before our eyes. It's not happening. As if it is a joke. But the focus is on how to make sure that Igbo man, which is because some people are not, some of us are not getting the reason why when anything about that is happen, it becomes national issue. I mean, they are very careful on. They don't let go anything. They don't want to leave any loophole inside it. They want to make sure that everything is being checkmated because Southeast is the only place in Nigeria that Fulanis are, I may say, scared of because they have free gate in other places. If Yoruba, if Fulani people want to, engage Oduduwa people today, it's not going to take them much time. But in different land, they have to deliberate on it, and the so-called Igbo politicians, they have captured those ones. Lucky enough, we were able to dictate on time. If not, they would have captured us together. Because when you are trying to respect these politicians, you're actually helping the Fulanis to penetrate you the more. That's why I said that we were able to dictate on time, and it's not going to work. Why am I saying that? What happened in other states that has been making headline news and it has become the order of the day. In fact, everybody wants to make a contribution. Everybody wants to condemn. Everybody wants to say one or two things about it. But those things happen times 10 elsewhere. Nobody cares. Nobody wants to say anything. Yesterday, 11th of June, breaking news. This is not from Biafrans, okay? This is from those who claim they have the country in their hand. Bandits by 50 farmers yesterday from Kakara local government, my hometown, and still counting. My people cannot go to the farm, cannot go to the market, and cannot travel. We are trapped and helpless. I cannot travel to report on the incident. My fixer are scared. I don't know what my fixer. And my safety is not guaranteed. This is Jami Mabe. Let me see the person. It says, okay, multimedia free license journalist, reporter, the Trust TV. This is a report, and this is a northerner. Now, am I supposed to play the video? Let me scan through the video. Freeman, I see you. Thank you so much for joining us this late hour. And Market Media, of course, I see you guys. Sunny, thank you guys for coming. Thank you so much. And Chineye MC, my sister, I have you. They're all gathered there. They all gathered there and keep talking Simon Ekpa and sit at home. Because that's the way that matters most. Why Southeast is the order of the day? Because that is where their boys could not penetrate easily. I don't blame them. I blame our own Eflef in the name of fathers. That's who I don't blame them. Not unless are doing what they should do. Who wouldn't want to capture everywhere since you have what it takes? Is it their fault that you are people, their colleagues are sleeping? Like I am in the same classroom with you, and you are controlling everything that I should keep quiet. Their mates are not doing anything. My people, I don't think I will play this video here. Maybe I will play the sound only because there are some bodies. Now I can see that they brought stretcher carrying people that are that are they're sent to Chukwuka, and some armored tank being destroyed because imagine 50 in a day, more than 50. And Awo Musa said, Oga, you and your forefathers are cowards. Don't nobody should block. Don't block him. Musa, he said, you and your forefathers. Our Lord is good. Our land is God owns land. Okay. And Michael Chudubem said, my brother, not only the younger one, but the zoo. There, don't waste your time on that guy. Because even if you want to respond to him now, he will run away. Armstrong is here. Armstrong, you are here again with that spanner. Did anything happen to your spanner or the second account? Anyway, I just want to let us know what is going on in the northern part. Let me see the sound, if there's any catapult sound there, because the platform, what they're doing now. Once they hear any catapult sound, that video and that program will be in problem. You see, if I show this video how they lie, that I don't know the guideline of this platform very very well. I'm just learning it. I'm just learning. Okay, second account. Okay, my brother. I'm just learning it because I don't want to show people in body bag. You know what I mean? People in body bag, they are here, and some of them they put them on stretcher, and a lot of things, like where you have casualties and all that, and that's why I am very very careful with it. But my happiness is that the person that is reporting this news is from northern parts, a northerner. Okay, this one is not as if I am okay. Let me show you the post, because that one, I think that will make more sense. This person here, you can go and search the person. Maybe after the broadcast, you can also look the person up. Okay, you can also look the person up. He said bandits buy 50 farmers yesterday from Kankara local government, my hometown, and still counting. This is what the person. It's not a propaganda. When all this one that we are in video is trending about senators, because it seems like senators called themselves on phone and said, prepare a speech against Ekpa and Biafran and the Southeast, and all of them they did. Reason why, if you pay attention very well, we have not seen much of northern senators talking about Southeast. It is only senators from the east and few people from Oduduwa. So Northerners know that our boys are doing their job while we are protecting our own. So don't tell me that northern people will be in this red chamber, asking for military aid in those places. Never. They will not, because they understand that everything they are doing is in fact, these are their boys, and you cannot give people. You spend your hard-earned money or your hard-earned looting money to buy arms and all those things and give it to young youths to do your bidding. Then all of a sudden you are looking for solution to buy your children. No, they are your guys. You protect them at all costs. This Musa is still here. If not, why? Why are you people hiding, leaving the Fulanis, leave the Fulanis alone and free your terrorist leader, Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi, Malu, cowards? Okay, this is a kidnapper is calling somebody coward. Do you know what it means that you come from a place that have a lot of questionable characters? Headers buying people, and you are happy with that. So you are supporting evil, and that is what you are doing here as well. I'm just telling you that your own local government in the north bandits by 50 people, and you're here talking about you do something to raise man and leave Fulani alone. Why would I leave Fulani alone? Nigeria belongs to Fulani. Nigerian government is a Fulani government. So why would I leave you alone? Anyway, to prove to you that Fulani people are the terrorists and bandits, here is the news that we cannot, ignore. Some people may say not every Fulani. You may say not all of them, but we have seen a lot of issue, and I don't have any evidence to tell you that they are all this. But since your leaders are doing what you guys love, and that is to groom bandit and Ndoboma, the terrorists, that means one can suspect or maybe say yes, all of you are. But like I said, I don't have the evidence to tag everybody the same. But listen and watch this video. Maybe that will answer the question. And I believe that since Musa, you are here and you are a Fulani man, tell us, interpret this in Hausa, in English language.
Ai mun kuɗi ba matsalar mu bane wallahi don yau muka zo. Ku ne da kamar kula da nono. Wani kula da nono a yanzu liyafa ta ci gaba. Kun yi kuɗi shanu sun wadata kenan. Wallahi mijina ne ya canja sana'a. Ai yanzu wallahi Allah ya taimake mu yanzu. Ai yanzu sai dai mu shigo gari mu siya kayan abinci mu siya atamfa mu koma. Yanzu kaga atamfar ma na zo siya. Wace sana'a yake kenan? Ai wallahi yanzu mijina ya canja sana'a yanzu kishmashin yake yi. Ai mun kuɗi ba matsalar mu bane wallahi don ko yau muka zo. Ku ne da kamar kula da nono. Wani kula da nono a yanzu liyafa ta ci gaba. Kun yi kuɗi shanu sun wadata kenan. Wallahi mijina ne ya canja sana'a. Ai yanzu wallahi Allah ya taimake mu yanzu. Ai yanzu sai dai mu shigo gari mu siya kayan abinci mu siya atamfa mu koma. Yanzu kaga atamfar ma na zo siya. Wace sana'a yake kenan? Ai wallahi yanzu mijina ya canja sana'a yanzu kishmashin yake yi. Ai mun kuɗi ba matsalar mu bane wallahi don
I know, Musa, I know there's a lot of sweat in your finger now. I know you are sweating anywhere you are watching this program. You feel like, oh, why did I comment? Why did I comment that these people are playing this video? Because they're speaking your language and you know what they're saying. You understand it very, very well. So I intentionally bring it immediately why you are here. And you are calling people cowards. Say that I and my forefathers are cowards. Okay, since you are cowards, why are you complaining about that people did not let you to bring your cow and leave? You think you are stupid? This is your sister. This is your sister talking.
Yau muka zo. Ku ne da kamar kula da nono. Wani kula da nono a yanzu liyafa ta ci gaba. Kun yi kuɗi shanu sun wadata kenan. Wallahi mijina ne ya canja sana'a. Ai yanzu wallahi Allah ya taimake mu yanzu. Ai yanzu sai dai mu shigo gari mu siya kayan abinci mu siya atamfa mu koma. Yanzu kaga atamfar ma na zo siya. Wace sana'a yake kenan? Ai wallahi yanzu mijina ya canja sana'a yanzu kishmashin yake yi. Ai mun kuɗi ba matsalar mu bane wallahi don ko yau ma.
Her co-wife was busy covering her mouth. And see the response of this bandit. He said, ha, 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 ha. This is a scene from movie. Look at, so when did the Fulani people start acting movie? You're acting movie with what you don't want people to talk about. So you are now, you are now acting movie to expose yourself. I have been saying this. The only reason why Fulani people are, acting as if they are smart is because of the presence of Igbo people in their midst. Look at you now. The best way to defend this exposition is to tell us that this is a movie. You think you are talking to children, right? I don't know how to speak Hausa, but someone have interpreted this video for me. I don't understand anything. And the only thing I hear here is Fulani. not Fulani, Fladenono. That's the only word that I can tell you that I understand. Fladenono, which I was told. I don't even know how Fladenono or Fladenono, how it is. I don't know if I pronounce it well though. So you can now tell us what it means. This is your language. But what I was told is that this lady here, okay, they asked her how is the business of Fredonino. She said that they don't say Fredonino anymore. That she's now enjoying her life. You know, the ones they come to town, they just shopping, you know, buy shopping and eat whatever they want to eat. That God have blessed them. They have made a fortune. That Allah have blessed her husband. The husband just got a new job called kidnapping. Because she don't know the meaning of kidnapping. Kidnapping is an English word. She don't understand what kidnapping means. So that she's enjoying her life. That God have just blessed her with blessed her husband with a new business, a new work called kidnapping. That is what she said here. And this one understood. He knows what this lady is, what this girl is, what she said here. That is why he laughed and trying to say that is a scene from a movie. You know what? Movie. Really? Yeah, it's true. When you begin to think of what you guys are doing, sometimes it looks like it's in a movie. Imagine you bringing your private business called cow, making it a mandatory that people must give you land to settle. It's a mandate. It's a mandate. Everybody must give it to you because you are Fulani. You guys are very funny. You can conquer other places, but you see Biafra land, my dear, not in your next life. It's not possible. Not in your next life.
Yau ka zo. Ku daina kawo kula da nono. Wani kula da nono? Ai ya fata ci gaba. Kun yi kuɗi shanu sun wadata kenan. Wallahi mijina ne ya canja sana'a. Ai yanzu wallahi Allah ya taimake mu yanzu. Ai yanzu sai dai mu shigo gari mu siya kayan abinci mu siya atamfa mu koma. Yanzu kaga atamfar ma na zo siya. Wace sana'a yake kenan? Ai wallahi yanzu mijina ya canja sana'a, yanzu kishmashin yake yi. Ai mun kuɗi ba matsalar mu bane wallahi don ko yau ma. Yau muka zo. Ku ne da kamar kula da nono. Wani kula da nono.
So let me. I believe that the guy, and I know you regret why you comment this on this program. You're a human being, of course. I know your feelings. I know your chest is beating fast. Maybe if you are one of the bandits, listen to her, you feel that somebody already knows. So you are very, very uncomfortable with the video. I understand, but it's not my fault. I'm not the one that sent you to do that. So don't blame me. I'm just trying to let our people know the reason why they should do what they should do, to make sure that to do what they have to do to make sure that you people will not take our land or take us for granted. So that is it. And there's other videos I want to share, but I don't know how safe it is. I don't know how safe it would be for me to bring it here because of people that own the platform. We are just trying to do our best to make sure that everything is not going against them, so that they will allow us to do what we're doing here. Okay. So we are about to round up the program, and I'm trying to bring the last information just for you to hear. Then we can end the program because, like I said, I came late and I don't need to stretch it for a very long time. Just a moment, because the system is actually hanging. Just a moment. Did you people have land? There is no land called Biafra in Nigeria. Musa, I will answer you if you tell me what the meaning of Nigeria. If you tell me the meaning of Nigeria, I will answer you. I will tell you where the land is, and I will tell you about Biafra. Just answer me. What is the meaning of Nigeria? Tell me. I want to know. I want to learn from you. Freeman said, Kai, you have tried. Kai, he said, yeah, you have tried Kai TV. And Musa answer just reply once in the blue moon. After maybe his heartbeat relax a bit, he will just make a comment. Because I know you will feel so uncomfortable with that video that I played. I'm sure you're one of the bandits that all of you. Musa, we are Biafrans, not Nigeria, of course. Let him tell us the meaning of Nigeria. I dare you to tell me the meaning of Nigeria. Try it. If you think you are smart.
I am in Moscow, Russia right now.
Oga, you are Biafra. I quote. Okay, you know the meaning of fraud. So what do you call Abacha? Your brother Abacha. What do you call Abacha? Babangida. What do you call Babangida? Buhari. What do you call Buhari? I mean, since you know the meaning of fraud, what do you call Buhari? What do you call Abacha? What do you call what is the name? Babangida and Abacha and Buhari. What do you call them? Or maybe you don't think that those ones matter. That one is all fraud. Aboki, where are you watching from actually? Are you watching from where? Because I don't know how you are watching this program from Forest. How? You should be sleeping now.
Last month, we arrested a member of the State House of Assembly in Banditry here in the State. We arrested a district head. We also as well arrested a former local government chairman. So you can see that involvement of this class of people in banditry is making the situation to become more and more complex. So in essence, I can say that all caliber of people now are involved. All manner of people are involved in this banditry. More alarming and more...
Including Musa. Musa, you are involved. This is your brother talking, giving updates. Musa, your brother is giving updates. That's... Oh my goodness. It's funny. Musa, which forest give you this signal? I mean, by now you should be somewhere in is this Lokoja? So you should be somewhere there. And I don't know that Nigeria signal, internet signal is getting stronger. For you to receive signal network in forest this hour is commendable. It's commendable.
You can see that involvement of this class of people in banditry is making the situation to become more and more complex. So, in essence, I can say that
Musa.
All caliber of people now are involved. All manner of people are involved in this banditry.
Including Musa.
More alarming and more disturbing is the involvement of a district head in supplying drugs to the bandits. So in that respect, your presence here today.
Musa, leave banditry alone. Okay? Repent. Musa, repent.
We can say now banditry is an industry.
You don't need to keep doing what you're doing, buying people.
Transfer them 20,000 naira.
This video, I played this video, just like that and go. This video is about DOS and how they were siphoning people in the past. And these are brothers, they were having conversation. I don't know if they intentionally recorded it or something just tapped on their conversation, but let's listen to that.
So I know I'm in America and I'm fundraising. On our account to have factual. Come on, the year can come to I don't know. America, when I'm a member of POS. I do about $11,000. I need tables. I go and give my music by go side. Okay, this is your area. Fajere America ije wee go ndị America jụ fana fa7 akpa afaba na ikuku na ndị abụ they are not ready to be a member, and this movement if you cannot be able to comply with this movement nke abụọ na suspended gị akịma na enwe genye mmadụ na suspended ya time ka ama na oyi si na mmehie ahụ eji mara ya chegharịa na nke anọ na suspend ya na expel, so you don't need to pronounce suspension. No, expel. Imasi, we are here suspending these names and hereby expel them. No. If you could suspend the lawyer for the past 6 months, but not still more. Yes, now today I expel him. Now, everybody now has a fund is no longer workable. Simon Ekpa make I man will problem when I radio Biafra. They change the laugh at you want to stop your calo. When you not do career Simon Ekpa looked ago. But when they tell you Simon Jabba Wuham, did on Abuja, Emmanuel looked all over.
Change senators.
Oh, no, and it's not walking wouldn't near. Simon make I man will only Sophia. I know they go under the leadership of Nandi Kado. I have one of social no good no name. Oh, the kid you go. I Simon Maria. I don't touch a Elijah man with Jesus. I don't know Jesus one to open a bed now. My pianto. The doctor of bad no good. Elianias on your charges. I can't I know on your chaco.
So, my people, we are going to end the program now, and don't forget the reason why we are here. The update from PM and from Biafran government in exile is that public holiday 12th of June being today, Biafran land in our homeland, there is nothing like holiday. That Democracy Day is not going to be observed in Biafran territory. That's the news, and PM have made it clear. That is why I said to jump in to do this live broadcast, because when we are, broadcasting in the other previous video, in our last broadcast before this one, I did not get that message. So it was after the broadcast, then I received the notification. I went through the whole thing. Please, this broadcast is all about to reminding our people that tomorrow or today, Biafran land 12th of June is not public holiday. Everybody should go out and do their business regardless. Do your business and ignore. That's another way to make sure that nobody pay attention to the nonsense they're talking about, because we cannot just fold our hands and these people will use their cutlass and threatening everybody to submission, threatening you to submission. And in fact, it's not something that anybody should even dream of to buy that idea. Nothing like June 12th. That's just it. If you want to observe it, go to Lagos. If you want to observe it, go to Kaduna, go to Abuja. Nothing different than. But then me that say bye for now, and remain blessed. Shalom, shalom, shalom. He say, God bless you, my dear. Good night to you, and good night to you all, Biafrans. Freeman, Dinah, Armstrong. God bless you guys for your support and your love. I really appreciate. And Musa, Musa, maybe you maybe he killed Nana. All I've been again. I know it's going to get again. We are not hearing from you again. Anyway, guys, thank you so much and stay safe. See you tomorrow. Bye bye for now.